Hello. Thank you for spending time with me in this video. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution that is fundamentally altering the way we live, work, and relate to one another, I'm thrilled to discuss the current and future impact of artificial intelligence (AI) in education, particularly in teaching English in Vietnam. We are currently witnessing an era where AI is not just a buzzword, but a reality shaping our tools and methodologies. In education, AI offers personalized learning experiences, automates administrative tasks, and provides real-time feedback, among other benefits. Specifically, for English teaching, AI-driven platforms can tailor lessons to individual students' proficiency levels and learning styles, making education more accessible and effective. However, as we embrace these technological advancements, we must also be mindful of the challenges they present. There is a delicate balance between leveraging AI for educational benefits and ensuring that it doesn't replace the human touch that is so crucial in the learning process. The goal is not to replace teachers, but to empower them with tools that enhance their ability to teach more effectively. Looking forward, the future of AI in education is incredibly promising. We can anticipate more sophisticated AI tools that understand and respond to human emotions, making learning more interactive and empathetic. Moreover, as AI continues to evolve, it will enable more immersive and experiential learning through technologies like virtual reality, which can transport students to different parts of the world, right from their classrooms in Vietnam. Nevertheless, with great power comes great responsibility. As educators, you are the architects of the future generation. Embracing AI in education doesn't just mean integrating new tools. It means preparing students for a future where technology and human collaboration are intricately intertwined. It's about fostering an environment where creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are as valued as technological proficiency. Thank you for your dedication to shaping the future of education, and I look forward to seeing how you'll leverage AI to inspire and educate the next generation of learners.